During the weekend, there has been escalations in the Middle East between US and Iran, and this is the new space. You can see that Strait of Hormuz is open, but means there has been multiple round of strikes, and US have attacked some of their uh, locations. US strike 140 Iran targets after Hormuz ship attack spark over Gulf retaliation. So I just wanted to make a quick update, like what could be its impact on the charts, and like how, I mean, I'm going to manage my trade. So I have previously told that this is my phase two account, and I'm already down by about 2.5 to 3%. But before the market close, I had entered short positions. So basically, it's quite a small, uh, lot sizes, and my most of my trades are already on the break even. So what I'm expecting is like I'm expecting that there should be a gap down in gold, and there should be a gap up in crude oil. So I have marked the fib as per the high and the low. Like last week, low was 4021, and the high was about 4203 or 4. So basically, if you see that uh, this one, 0.61 area, this is the key level, which is 0.618 fib level, and the second one is about zero point 0.5, which is 4113. So my plan for tomorrow is like I'm not going to do anything. I'll just see if there is a gap down or if there is a gap up, and if there will be a gap down, so I'm just going to hold my trade with the break even till my take profit. And if there will be a gap up, or like in case if I'm being stop out and all, then I'll not be doing anything on Monday, and I'll be out of my setup. So the key area is 4133, 4134. So if the market break out this level, so the next target should be 4200 or 4220. But if it take the rejection, then the key area will be 4090. So after this area, this support is being broke, so we can at the retest, like support become resistance, we can take a short entry to the last week low. So this is a quick update, and like we will see how it goes